Hello guys, nandito kami sa ah, Tower 1. What's his name? Creek Tower 1. Yeah, this building. Creek Tower 1 and the pool is so nice. Good. Tingnan nyo guys. Naliligo yung mga alaga ko. Ganda ng pool at saka ang laki. Ang daming building. Hi guys. Ito kasama ko. What's your name? Huh? Hayati. Hayati is her name. My name is Jane. Yeah. Nice view. Creek Tower 1. Malaki yung pool nila. Ayun o, naliligo sila. Si Chad, Haya, and her best friend si Lynn. So, dito na lang. Bye-bye. Nice view.